5 ways to get in shape this summer. The warm, long days of summer are a source of encouragement to get outdoors and make changes that can lead to a healthier you. If you're excited about pushing your body to a new level of physical fitness, but you're unsure where to begin, take advantage of the summertime to sculpt the body you've been wanting. Here are 5 fun and exciting ways to get in shape this summer. Join a gym. Allow the beautiful weather to motivate you to change, but consider a gym membership as a tool to support you in that change. The sunshine may beckon you outdoors, but the heat may stop your momentum dead in its tracks. An air-conditioned gym with state-of-the-art exercise equipment may be just what you need. Whether you want to build muscle or simply tone up and shed a few pounds, a gym membership allows you to design a workout program that works best for you. If you go with friends, you can all provide moral support and keep each other on track. With others involved, you're more likely to avoid procrastination and keep working out. You can have a successful exercise program without a gym membership. But the gym is one tool in your arsenal. When the weather is too hot or it's raining outside, you'll still be able to get a quality workout and feel the sense of accomplishment that comes with every step forward. Pick up an old sport. Did you play basketball or baseball in high school? Summer recreational leagues offer opportunities for you to get in shape while rekindling that competitive fire you had in your youth. Even if you didn't play sports, you can begin this summer. You may find that you're better at it than you thought you would be. Sports are a great way to get excited about getting in shape, and summer leagues may be the ticket to getting you off of the couch and into the game. Go for a bike ride. A bicycle ride through the scenic parts of your town is a fun way to get in shape. Enjoy the natural beauty of your surroundings, the warm sunshine, and a terrific cardiovascular workout. Riding a bike can be as strenuous or as leisurely as you like. Some days, you may want to push yourself with a fast pace. Other days, you may feel tired and in need of rejuvenation. With a bike ride, you can still get a good workout and recharge your batteries at the same time. Develop a morning or evening routine. If you're just getting started with a personal fitness plan this summer, keep it simple. Try a set of push-ups and a set of sit-ups every morning. Begin with small steps that are easy to fit into your busy morning or evening. That way, you're more likely to stick with the program until you see the results you deserve. If the warm weather and beautiful sunshine are calling your name, start small and plan ahead. A short, slow jog first thing in the morning will begin your day with a sense of accomplishment. As you become more comfortable and the workout becomes a habit, you can challenge yourself by adding repetitions, time, or distance to the simple plan you've created. Maintain a healthy diet. A healthy eating plan is essential to your success. The heat of summer and the additional stress on your body from your commitment to exercise requires the proper fuel. Most importantly, drink plenty of water. If you begin to think of the food you're putting into your mouth as fuel for the fit body you deserve, you'll start making better choices that support your new lifestyle. By following these simple steps this summer, you'll be well on your way to becoming more fit. You'll create momentum and establish a lifestyle of active fitness that is sure to lead to the fit body you crave. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.